Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SereneLife Automatic Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools, Robotic Pool Cleaner with 4500 GPH Suction from Twin Motors brushes, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Simplify pool cleaning with an automatic pool cleaner robot by SereneLife. Dual brushes and powerful suction from 4500 GPH motors create a pool robot that removes leaves, grass and debris with ease. Double the power of other automatic pool cleaners, SereneLife Swimming Pool Vacuum Cleaner has dual motors, dual scrubbing brushes and dual filtration cartridges to extract more debris from water. Fast and efficient pool robot cleaner for in-ground pool use works in as little as 2 hours. Our versatile robot pool vacuum lets you select 2, 3, or 5-hour cycles for in-ground pools of up to 50 feet. Revitalize your pool as the SereneLife in-ground pool vacuum robot scrubs the floor and walls. Its Tangle-Free cord allows the pool sweeper to move freely, capturing sediment and large dirt particles. Durably constructed with IP68 motors and an IP54 control box, the SereneLife Automatic Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools keeps your swimming pool looking inviting and ready to enjoy at a moment's notice. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.